Hi guys, our learning intentions for today are by the end of this lesson, you will be able to calculate the mode and the median from a stem and leaf plot. Let's remind ourselves of what we mean by the mode. The mode is the value that appears the most. For example, we have a range of numbers here. The mode is the value that appears the most. In this case, the number 9 appears the most. So the mode equals 9. The median is the middle value after your data has been ranked. The median is the middle. To find our median, we must first rank the data that we're given, from smallest to largest value. For example, we have this set of numbers, and ranking it from smallest to largest gives us 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, and 14. We now have to find the middle number of our ranked set. To find the middle number, we cross off the highest, then the lowest value until we have only 1 or 2 numbers left. So crossing off our highest to lowest value, we continue this until we only have 1 or 2 numbers remaining. The remaining number is our median. In this case, our median equals 9. If I had 2 values left in the middle, I would find the average of these numbers to find the median, i.e. add up those values and divide them by 2. Note that the median does not have to be a value in the dataset. Let's look at how we can apply the mode and the median to a stem and leaf diagram. For example, the amount of time in minutes that it takes pupils to travel to school is given below. We have to draw a stem and leaf diagram of this data. To draw our stem and leaf diagram, I will have my stem as my tens, and my leaves are my units. When we're drawing our stem and leaf diagram, the smallest value must be closest to the stem, i.e. our data must be ranked. And don't forget to draw in your key. Your key is the value that explains what your data means. For example, 2 line 4 equals 24 minutes. So a key is just an example from your stem and leaf diagram that tells you what your numbers mean. Let's calculate the mode. The mode is the value that appears the most. So what value appears the most here? Well, we can see we have 3 21s. So I have 3 leaves that have the same value. Therefore, the most common number is 21. The mode travelling time is 21 minutes. To find your mode of a stem and leaf diagram, we find the most common leaf. And then from that, we write down the value for that leaf. To calculate our median, we need to rank our data. As it's in a stem and leaf diagram, our data is already ranked. To find the median, we now cross off the smallest and the largest values until we have only 1 or 2 leaves remaining. So let's cross off our smallest and our largest leaves. We're starting with our smallest leaf and crossing off our largest leaf. We continue this. Cross off your next smallest leaf and your next largest leaf. Smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. And continue this process. So we continue crossing off our smallest and our largest values. The median is the average of the two that are left. Our two values left, our two leaves left, are 3 and 4. That means the two values that are left are 23 and 24. To find the median, we add up these values and divide by 2. 23 plus 24 divided by 2 gives us a median of 23.5. Let's look at another example. What about the median here? To calculate the median, we must make sure that our data is ranked. As it is in a stem and leaf diagram, our data is ranked. It's going from smallest value to largest value. To find our median, we cross off the largest and the smallest leaves until we only have 1 or 2 leaves remaining. Crossing off our smallest value of 5 and our largest value of 50, our smallest value of 8 and our largest value of 42, our smallest value of 11 and our largest value of 41. Continue this process. In this case, we have 1 value left. The median is the 1 value that remains. In this case, our median is 2 line 3, which is 23.